So Anu, we're talking about the self-mastery through auto-hypnosis course. And it is no secret that we literally had thousands of people from all walks of life over the years. And it's been many years because we started in 1998, if I'm not mistaken. And it is the entry-level course if people want to study and get accredited as an hypnosis practitioner. But what I would like you to enlighten us about is the incredible benefits that people take away from this course personally.
Yes, Claudia, absolutely, absolutely. And it's like you say, it counts as a credit, so you need it for qualification. And what's also important to know about it for the curriculum, it's the only course that you can do out of order, right? It's a one-day course where we teach self-hypnosis. And what's interesting about the power of self-hypnosis is that you learn how to start accessing your powerful inner mind, your subconscious mind. And that is the benefit, right? So if you can start communicating with your powerful inner mind, something interesting will happen. Is your ability to create and manifest what you want in your life will go up. To get those results, that will go up. So either to give your powerful inner mind instructions or to get guidance from your powerful inner mind to help you and support you in life, because each of us have this powerful inner mind, and if you can tap into that power, make a huge difference, right? So in this course we go to quite advanced topics, covering areas like the rules of the mind, and also talking about how to structure suggestions for your powerful inner mind. In other words, how to communicate with your powerful inner mind. Probably most important is that we install self-hypnosis for you. Now, what this means is by the end of the day, you should be able to take yourself into a nice deep hypnotic state quite easily. And then we also give you a hypnosis recording, a powerful program that you take home with you to be able to reinforce the learnings and to be able to continue to open those doors to your powerful inner mind more and more, so that you can have those benefits in your life.
Fantastic.
Right?
Could you guide us maybe quickly through how to book and where to get more information?
Absolutely, absolutely. Let's have a look here. So this might take a moment. Let's just quickly open the website for the South African Institute of Hypnotism. Here you can see www.hypnotherapy.co.za. Right, and I've opened it here. If you go to training courses, I've opened here on the self-mastery course. Here you can see the audio I was talking about that you get on the course, right? So here you can gain more information about the course. Then if you want to book for the course, you can just go to calendar here, either Cape Town or Johannesburg, keeping in mind that this course has been running since 1998, on average once a month, once every 6 weeks. And then if you go here, for instance, to Java courses, then you'll be able to see all the different courses, and you can just go on the book now button over here and book for the course. And then we're looking forward to having you on the course.
Absolutely. Here's to the next 20 years, shall we?
Absolutely.
All right. Thank you for that, Anu.